Hey guys, today I'm working on my backyard. There's a section that used to have a trampoline for my kids, but my kids are teenagers now, so I gave that trampoline to a friend, and so I need to fix that area right there. It's still a little too early here in Colorado, so that's why the grass still looks like this. We're still just the beginning of spring, and it takes a little time for the grass to grow back. We can't turn a sprinkler yet, but I need to fix this section right here. And then I got some compost that I harvested last year, but then also I got some of this lawn soil. This is what I use most of the time when I do any lawn work. And so just wanted to share with you guys and show you guys how to fix or to patch your lawn if there's a section that's dead. So this is the section that I need to fix, and I want us to do it together. So let's go. I think the first thing I'm gonna do is just loosen up the soil a little bit first with the rake, like that. And then I usually try to cut the edge of that lawn so it's all even. So when I put the lawn, it's like leveled up. So you can either use this shovel right here. When I put my soil, it's level with the rest of the lawn. There's always tree roots on here. So the most important thing is make sure that the place is prepped very well. Otherwise your grass is not gonna grow, or it's gonna dry up. So I'm just cleaning up everything and loosen up the soil so my grass have somewhere to grow. There's loose soil to grow. So it looks nice. So I do have some compost here. That's gonna accelerate the growth of my lawn, so I'm gonna use some of it. And then I'm gonna put the topsoil. A little bit of it should help. All right, so one more bag. I bought 3 of these. Probably not gonna use three bags, but I still have some patches over there that I need to fix. But I'm gonna use these for now. See how far they go. They probably put like some fertilizer. It's like this fertilizer mix already. Show you here. Fertilizer mix already in already. But most of it is just compost. So putting compost there is a good idea. So you can probably add one more, and then I'll save one for something else, for another section. I want this spot to grow because it's been dead for like years. Some people have bigger yards and they can put them trampoline on like rocks. I didn't have that space, so I had to put it on a section on my lawn. So that's what it's about time to fix it. All right. So now it's ready. So once you do this, then you soak it with water, then you go from there. So just soak it like that, not too wet, but enough to rejuvenate the roots, and the roots have a spot. You're gonna water it again after you plant it, but this just helps the foundation. I think that should be good. All right, so let's start laying the sod. So I'm gonna start with here. So I got one right there. Sometimes you have to like dig these things to make sure it fits perfect. Yeah, so sometimes when you get to like a corner like this, like a straight, I just want to make it straight so it fits straight. So you have to dig it up again. Perfect. So that's one right there. I bought 6. I'm not sure if 6 is going to fit, but we'll see. Might have to go back to buy another one. So you always stagger this. You don't put them like tile. Like if you've installed tile before, that's what you do with these two. Don't put them even. And make sure that they're just super close so they can connect when they start growing. Yeah, so that's perfect right there. Perfect. So that's 3 already. So this is probably gonna take more than 6 if I do my math correctly. So these like little sections here, you just put, that's what you use for this. You put these little ones to cover those little sections. Yeah, you're gonna always have like a small section like these. So you put a small piece like that, and then you cut, and that covers it. And I'm probably gonna find a bunch of those and then use those smaller pieces like that. So I already have 3 sod installed. So let me get a rubber hammer so I can show you. So I just use this little thing here, like a little rubber hammer, to stamp the corners and where they connect, because you want them to connect real well. Then I use a stumper. Once I get it installed, like the big like stumper thing, to make sure that everything is connected, stamped into the ground. But you can use this little one if it's just a small area, still works. That's number 4. So I only got 2, so then it's not gonna be enough. Probably need 3 or 5 more. Alright, so that's just 6 sod. So I probably need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm gonna run to Home Depot again and get 6. Alright guys, I'm back with more sod. So you always stamp this once you get it all done. So it's all even. It sticks to the ground. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing, but let me get it closer here. especially on the edges. Perfect. So now I'll just water. Soak it. Look at this instant grass. Super easy to do. So I just want to encourage you to you do things to save money, and there's nothing wrong with that. I do all my DIY stuff in my house. Anything that I need needs to be fixed, I don't hire somebody unless I really don't know how to do it. And I just want to encourage you to. Please check my other videos, support my channel, and let's build things together. See you later.